All right, so the video internet here shut down on me in the midst of me making the video. So I think I stopped on this one right here. I didn't realize it had stopped until I was already through another question. So all I did here is I took the negative out to make it an I. Again, the negative out, you make it an I. You multiply that, it gave me 5i squared, and then multiply the numbers, that's where the 12 came from, and then multiply it here, and I got an I radical 36. So 36 turns into the 6. And then the I squared, we'll change this to a negative right here. That's why I put a negative. And then I broke down the 12 into 4 times 3. The square root of 4 was 2. So maybe I have to do 5 times 2, and that's where the 10 comes from. And I started doing this one when I realized it. So there was a negative, so I turned that to 4. So negative 4 square root 4i square root of 6. And then you can break down the square root of 12, so I'll just go ahead and do that right now. So that's 4 times 3. So that's really going to be 6 out here. So 6 square root of 3. And then multiply it in, so that it's going to give me negative 28i square root of 6. And then multiply here, I'm going to get plus 24i square root of 18. Square root of 18 is going to break down into 9 times 2. So 3 times that is what's going to be the next step. So 3 times, that will give me 72. And the other 2 is left inside of there. So that will be the answer. All right, so again here, take care of your I. So get I squared of 3. And then take it here, I get 2i squared of 3. And then I'm going to FOIL, multiply my first term, my outside terms, my inside terms, and then my last term would be negative 2i squared radical 9. So combine these right here, and I'm going to get 14i radical 3. This right here, negative 2i squared radical 9, is really, this is going to be negative 2 times negative 1 times 3. So that ends up giving me 6. So then I have 6 minus 24 right there. So 6 minus the 24 gives me negative 18. Last one right here, the square means to write this twice. And I have to take care of the negative under here. So it would really negative 4i squared of 2. Again, negative 4i squared of 2. And then just FOIL it out. Multiply your first term will give me 16i squared radical 4. Multiply it by 1. Multiply it by 1 again. And then multiply the ones together. This right here is negative 1, and that's 2. So I have 16 times negative 1 times 2. That gives me negative 32. Combine these two terms here. And then combine the 1 and the negative 32. Oh, why did I put, that's an 8. 4 and 4 make 8, not 16. 8i radical 2.